Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce stress with Fiverr step by step clearly. Start by identifying your specific stressors. Consider what aspects of your life cause the most stress. Write them down to make them clearer. Next, visit the Fiverr website or app. Create an account if you don't already have one. Familiarize yourself with the various categories offered. Look for services that address your stressors directly. For example, consider hiring a virtual assistant to manage tasks. Or search for graphic designers if you need marketing materials. Use the search bar to find specific services. Read through the descriptions and reviews of each service. Pay attention to seller ratings and customer feedback. Shortlist a few sellers who meet your needs. Contact them with any questions before placing an order. Discuss your requirements to ensure they can meet your expectations. Once you've found the right seller, proceed to place your order. Make sure to clearly outline your project details. Set a deadline that gives you enough time to relax. After placing your order, take a moment to breathe and unwind. Engage in a stress-relieving activity while waiting for the work to be completed. Remember to check back on the order status periodically. Once received, review the completed work for satisfaction. If adjustments are needed, communicate with the seller. Use the stress-free results to focus on your well-being. Incorporate regular use of Fiverr into your routine as needed. This can help manage tasks that cause you stress in the long run. Embrace the time and energy saved to enjoy more relaxed moments. Reflect on how delegating tasks positively impacts your stress levels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.